tell you what, Cliff's been sitting too damn long. We need to put a clutch in it.
I mean, I'd love to fix Cliff. I mean, yeah. Why not? We
Gonna knock the lights out. We could totally fix it, man. It's not that big a deal. It's just a clutch.
Yeah, but when do we have time?
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
A clutch.
Right now.
I'll tell you what. We got something else we can do to Cliff until we get back from our trip. Then we can do a clutch. I mean, it is right there.
It is right there.
Yeah.
The car is right there. It's watching us play pool right now instead of put a clutch in it. Cliff won't stand for it.
I'll tell you what though. What about we put that cold air intake in, and then when I get back from Panama City, we put a clutch in Cliff.
I think you're on.
I'm on. What do you think?
Yeah, man.
If we get a yeah man, that means we have to do it. So,
Yeah.
welcome back to the channel, guys. God, it's been so long since we've uploaded, downloaded, some kind of loaded a video. Let me get into some light because the light's going to be horrible over there. We are going to work on putting that JLT cold air intake in, and then in a couple weeks, we're going to put a clutch in Cliff. About time?
Definitely about time.
Yeah, man.
Cliff has been unfortunately sitting in our basement for quite some time. I mean, we even still have our old podcast stuff up here. The old set that we used one time, and then we trashed it. I said we get started on this cold air, get it knocked out. And once again, guys, we're sorry we hadn't been around in a while, but after Mustang, we've just been kind of busy
Yeah, man.
with something that we still need to reveal.
Yeah. Probably soon, eventually.
Yeah. So, y'all ready to get started on this thing? I know I am. Yeah, we need to put a clutch in it, but at the same time, I'm kind of antsy and jumpy, and I want to do something with it tonight. So
Let's do it, man.
let's get on it. We'll be back in just a minute. By the way, how good does it feel to be back behind the camera, dude?
Sucks. Nah, it's fine.
We'll see you in a sec. All right, guys, so we got our cold air here. I've already obviously opened the box. Kind of wanted to throw something out there extra when we did the clutch, so since the warranty's all void and everything, guys.
Dead and gone. Done for.
We have got to get a tuner. What?
Speak up, man.
I am speaking up.
Drive a Mustang with a V8, you sound like a little sissy.
My God. See this right here. Don't make me beat you with my tube.
Oh yeah, I bet you'd love that, little
Hey.
sissy.
We got enough bubble wrap right here that we can package milk good.
Yeah. Send them to the bottom of the ocean next week.
Put him in some of the concrete J's.
So anyway, easy little switch over, man. I mean, I think this is going to roll pretty smooth. I think this is for the sound tube that we don't have.
Yep.
So we
I
can
got
actually
the
block
plug.
that
Yeah,
off.
you got the plug.
So a lot of stuff has changed. Jacob has talked me into some other stuff. We'll reveal more as we go, but we want to get rid of this crappy tubing. Even though the factory cold air actually works really
Hey,
good.
you look like Jerry.
It does not flow over here.
You look like Jerry.
Only people in Cookville understand this one. But all right, let's get into this. right, last piece of the puzzle, minus plugging up that mass airflow.
Let's see. All of the rubber seals on this thing have been really tight, so I doubt that you're gonna have like any kind of leakage or loss around any of the seals. Like it literally took both of us just to get the charge pipe into the air, cold air.
And now guys, I recommend probably clipping these off. I'm going to, but JT, you got the keys.
I can get them.
Give them a fire real quick.
Fired up.
Yes, sir. Intake is in. Literally took 30 minutes to get it on there. Nothing major. Now the one thing is, hey, grab that cover for me real quick. Yeah. I do want to show you all this. We put the cover back on, and well, when you set it back on there, it will not click back into place because the box is literally in the way. So if you're thinking about deleting that, now's a good time to do it, unless you want to cut that one piece.
Yeah,
to
you
make
could
it
always
fit.
notch it.
Yeah, you can notch it. I've seen a lot of people do that. Honestly, it don't look bad that way. What do you think?
I think it looks better.
JT?
I 100% think it looks better. You've got the 8 aluminum intake runners up there. I think that's a lot meaner look than that plastic engine cover.
Yep.
Did he say aluminum?
Oh yeah.
Yes, it is.
That is.
It is plastic.
That is plastic.
Oh my
It's
god.
painted silver. It looks like aluminum.
It looks good though. I mean, it does look better. Maybe even. Yeah, we can take these little studs out too. Real
Clean it
quick.
up a little bit more.
Yeah, clean up even more. So guys, that's gonna wrap another video. We are happy to be back. We got more footage coming to you here soon. JT's coming around a heck of a lot more. And JTO from ATL, good old Jacob, is back in the house as well. So
Yeah, man.
with all that being said, guys, you know we love you. Please keep hanging in there with us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on, because when we post, we want you to be the first ones to know. JT, you want to take this one out?
Yep, sure thing. Till next time, guys, don't forget, dream big.
See ya.